Now let's go towards the second method, which is using collections.counter. The collections.counter is basically much more like a really special subclass of our dictionaries, and this was sometimes it really expresses itself as a dictionary itself. So as you can see it over here, we are going to import the library which is from the collections, import the counter, initialize the dictionaries, and then we are going to add them using the counter, having the parameters for dictionaries over here, dictionary 1 plus dictionary 2. So it's going to add each and every dictionary element over here. So it's much more like the union of both of the dictionaries. As you can see it over here, it consists of every element over here: a, b, c, d, x, y, and to the z. While into the first method, it was just those elements which were common in both of our dictionaries.